Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree. In this video, we have another AP Precalculus type of a question for you from the topic of exponential function. Let's solve it together. The exponential function f of x equals a times b to the power of x, where a and b are positive constants, is defined. The table shows that the value of f of x at selected values of x. Which of the following statement is true? X values are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so x values are increasing. Y values are 200, 150, 25, and 12.5. So y values are decreasing. So if one is increasing, the other one is decreasing, this must be a decay. So it's not a growth. We will go ahead and eliminate the choice A and D. Now let's find the values. Let's use the first data. F0 is equals to 0. A times b to the power of 0 is 200. So this means a times 1. A is 200 then. For the b, I'm going to use F1, the second data. So 200 times b to the power of 1 is equals to 100. So we will divide both sides by 200. That gives you 100 over 200, which is 1 over 2. So the b is 1 over 2, which is between 0 and 1. Therefore, the correct answer is choice B for this specific question. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.